Hello friends, if you are a writer or a blogger, who wants to do keyword research before you create content, or you are a YouTuber want to discover content ideas, best keywords, and get more subs and views, and you don't have money to spend for that. If yes, then look no further than the free keyword research tool by H Supertools because of several reasons. It's 100% free, easy to use, and highly accurate. Our keyword finder uses Google Autosuggestions to generate a list of related keywords for any topic in any niche. The algorithm helps you get the best keywords for your website or blog. This video have two parts. If you are a writer and YouTuber, watch the video until it runs out. Go to SEO drop-down menu, then select the free keyword research tool. Here on search area, write down your keyword and tick that you are not a robot, then click on search. Here you will find keywords that people most searching for on Google. And you can copy them one by one or export them as CSV file. For getting more keywords, try to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, create your account. It takes less than a minute and it's easy. H Supertools is the best alternative to Google Keyword Planner, and it's because the data is directly coming from Google. Read on to delve into the tool in detail right now. Scroll down and read informative about Keyword Research Tool. Keyword Research Tool works, and the reason why use Keyword Research Tool by H Supertools. And read more detail about how to use H Supertools Keyword Research Tool. Go to YouTube option, discover content ideas, and best keywords for your YouTube content. YouTube is the second largest search engine globally, and people use it to find videos on every topic. Video keyword research involves getting words people use to find a particular keyword, and our YouTube keyword tool helps you find them quickly. I hope you find the video informative and useful. See you in the next video. If you got any issue related YouTube and blogger, don't forget to ask me in the comments section.